My students, this tutorial will help you create your West Green School on Kodo. So I'm just going to give you some ideas as to how to do it. First, when you go to the Kodo, when you open your Kodo application, please make sure that you're choosing a creator pin and a pass and the creator ID. This has to be kept safe, and you'll have to keep using the same creator ID and PIN each time so that you can save your world. Now I'm just going to put in my creator ID and put in the password. It has to be a 4-digit one and press on OK. So when I click on resume my world, I already have created a world over here. I'm going to show you how this looks like. So I have a path. I've made my object to follow a particular path with a football pitch in the middle, and I've marked some areas of the terrain, and I've created kind of a wall-like structure around it. I'm going to show you how I've done this project in a second. So when you go to the menu, let me make one over here. When you go to the menu, you're going to choose the ground brush. You're going to click on this and choose the kind of tile that you like. I'm going to choose 19, and I'm going to make a structure, but before that make sure that you have created a design of your school on a piece of paper, marking all the important places, and you can add your own creative elements to the design of your school, because remember, it is your dream school on the Coder world. So you can have any number of creative things included in your dream school. So you start off at one point based on your design, and you make your structure of your school. So imagine if there is a school like that, there's a pathway here, there's a block, and then when you come in here, there's another pathway, and you go in here, and there's a big block over here. Now this bit over here, I want to fill it up with the green ground brush. So I'm going to go choose green, and I'm going to fill it up with green ground brush in the middle, because I would like to keep this as a football pitch. And because it's my dream school, I want another playground over here for students who would like to play something else. You can fill up with exactly whatever you like, and then I'm going to have a carpeted area for an indoor gym over here. Now, as you can see, I've highlighted some areas with different colors and a pathway on the side. I want to be raising this black pathway to make it look like, a raised structure. For that, if you would like to do that, or you want to create like a wall like design around it, so you will have to click on the up and down, click on the blue menu, and then choose the magic brush. Then point to the wherever you want to raise. If you want to raise this bit, you point to this. If you want to raise this bit, you point to this. Keep the shift key pressed on your keyboard and press the left mouse button. So as you can see, I'm raising the area around it. If you want to decrease it, you can decrease it like that by pressing on the right click. Now I'll show you by panning the camera around. You can see this is how the school design looks like. Now, you can add paths, you can add objects. Let me create a path over here and make an object move around this path. So I'm going to click on path, and I'm going to make the starting of the path here. Let my object move around, take a turn, go to the right, Basically, I want my object to be walking around the school. When you are done with the path, you'll have to press on the right click and your path is finished. You can keep the shift key pressed, highlight the entire path, and then press on, and you can change the type of your path. So if you want a different kind of a path, you can change the type. But I like to keep the same path, so I'm going to go with an object now. Click on the object menu. I'm going to choose a rover. I'm going to highlight this, put the rover over here, program the the kodu, and I'm going to program the kodu to follow the path. So I choose always, move on path. And the color of the path is white, and I want to move quickly, and press on the green play button. My code should be moving. I think the color of the path is wrong, so I'm just going to slightly change the color of the path to maybe green, and I'm going to change the program to green path so it doesn't get confused. I'm going to run it, and now my code is going to be moving. You can change the setting of the code as well. So as you can see, I've created a path around the block of code. So this way you can design a beautiful school, make different markings for different creative ideas around the school, and you can have different objects moving around. You can add some water to make it look like a pool. You can have a canteen area. You can have as many things as you like in your Kodu Dream School.